Welcome to our channel Learn with Tabish. In this video where we will be discussing whether chatgpt can replace programmers. In today's world, where artificial intelligence and machine learning are advancing rapidly, it is natural to wonder if AI-powered language models like chatgpt can replace human programmers. So let's dive in and explore this topic. To begin, let's talk about what chatgpt is. ChatGPT is a large-scale AI-powered language model developed by OpenAI. It has been trained on a massive amount of data and is capable of understanding and generating human-like language. ChatGPT has been used for a variety of tasks such as language translation, question answering, text completion, and even creative writing. Now, let's discuss whether ChatGPT can replace programmers. The answer is not a simple yes or no. While ChatGPT is capable of generating code, it is not capable of understanding the requirements and constraints of a particular project. This means that ChatGPT cannot replace human programmers entirely. However, ChatGPT can be used to assist programmers in various ways. One way in which ChatGPT can assist programmers is by generating code snippets or templates. This can save time for programmers and allow them to focus on more critical aspects of the project, such as design and testing. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used for documentation purposes. It can help programmers generate clear and concise documentation for their code, which can be extremely beneficial for future maintenance. Another way in which ChatGPT can assist programmers is by automating repetitive tasks. For example, ChatGPT can be trained to recognize patterns in data and perform data processing tasks such as cleaning and formatting. This can save programmers a significant amount of time and effort. However, there are some limitations to using ChatGPT in programming. ChatGPT is not capable of understanding the context and requirements of a project. It cannot make decisions on its own, and it cannot test code for bugs and errors. Human programmers still need to oversee the entire process, and they are responsible for ensuring that the code meets the requirements of the project. So, to answer the question of whether ChatGPT can replace programmers, the answer is no. However, ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for programmers, allowing them to save time, automate repetitive tasks, and generate documentation. In conclusion, while ChatGPT is an impressive tool, it cannot replace human programmers entirely. It can be used to assist programmers in various ways, but human programmers are still essential for the development of high-quality code. As AI technology continues to advance, it is likely that we will see even more innovative ways in which ChatGPT and other language models can be used in programming. Thank you for watching this video on whether ChatGPT can replace programmers. I hope you found this information useful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learn with Tabish for more informative content.